Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 5 p.m. At 4:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Melrose Park, or over Franklin Park, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Evanston, Skokie, Berwyn, Oak Park, Park Ridge, Wilmette, Maywood, Morton Grove, Franklin Park, Westchester, Forest Park, River Forest, Harwood Heights, Rosemont, Lincoln Park, Navy Pier Park, and Bellwood. This includes Lincoln Park Zoo, Loyola University, Triton College, Northeastern Illinois University, Northwestern University, and Wrigley Field. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is no